Cats. They're usually pretty vocal with their owners, especially when they feel you haven't paid them enough attention or when they think you owe them food. But the one time they actually stay quiet is when they're in pain. And trust me, that's not because they're too shy to complain. Nope. Cats are experts at hiding pain. So it's up to you, the ever-loyal litter box slave, to keep an eye on their health. Because let's face it, you know who really owns your bed, your house, and, well, your heart, right? One common health issue your fluffy diva might encounter is a urinary tract infection. And trust me, it can be extremely painful if left untreated. So what exactly is a UTI? Well, it's when your cat's kidneys, bladder, or urethra get overtaken by bacteria. Kind of like how your cat overtakes your entire life. This can be caused due to two main reasons: bacterial infections and urinary crystals. This can also happen if their immune system isn't at its best, which is exactly why you should be feeding your cat food that gives them a well-balanced diet with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and antioxidants. This will boost your cat's immunity and give them that gorgeous shiny coat you adore. Because let's face it, you love hanging out with your little cutie psychotic fluff ball, right? I mean, they own you, you just don't realize it yet. Now back to UTIs. Nature has a pretty messed up sense of humor here. Female cats are more likely to get UTIs, but the boys get them too. So how do you know if your little fluff is having urinary problems? Well, here are the signs to watch out for. Your cat urinates more frequently than usual. They just can't stop running to the box over and over again. They have difficulty urinating due to discomfort or even a blockage. This is a big concern. If your cat seems to be straining to pee for more than a couple of minutes, don't wait. This can turn into something serious and fast. You see blood in their urine. Yikes. That's a red flag, literally. They lick their genitals often as a way to soothe themselves. It's their method of dealing with discomfort, but it's not a good sign. Your cat is acting withdrawn or less playful. Where's the usual energy? They're not as naughty as before. They're eliminating outside the litter box again. This is probably their way of communicating to you that something's up. You should take them to a vet. Their urine smells foul. Yeah, we all know that one. That's not normal and it's hard to ignore. They suddenly change their eating or drinking habits. Less interest in food, more interest in water. It's time to pay attention. UTIs are treatable, but don't wait too long before you get help. Keep your cat healthy and free from UTIs. Make sure they have access to fresh water, a clean litter box, a balanced diet, and low stress. And of course, always remind them of how much you love them. After all, they're your little fluff star, right? So keep an eye out for those diva tantrums and give your kitty everything they need to stay happy and healthy. After all, they might not tell you they're in pain, but you sure as hell will notice. Make your fur baby's health a priority.